as every public speaker, every politician worth their salt, every salesperson, every person who wants to persuade another person knows, in this kind of situation, you need to give your audience what it wants. The instruction in the TOEFL will always clearly identify the task at hand.
Example of Task 1. Closed-ended opinion. Please listen carefully. If driverless cars become as standard an option as current cars, which of the two options would you prefer to use on a daily basis and why? Preparation time: 15 seconds. Response time: 45 seconds. You may begin to prepare your response after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep. Example of Task 2. Campus notice plus a conversation. The University of XYZ recently decided to do something. Read the following announcement in the local newspaper about the decision. You have 45 seconds. Now listen to two students as they discuss the announcement. Question. The woman expresses her opinion of the decision made. State her opinion and explain the reasons she gives for holding that opinion. Preparation time: 30 seconds. Response time: 60 seconds. You may begin to prepare your response after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep. Example of Task 3. A textbook sample plus a lecture clip. Read the following passage about a specific topic. You have 45 seconds. Now listen to a lecture on this topic. Task: explain the specific topic and how the example used by the professor illustrates the concept. Preparation time: 30 seconds. Response time: 60 seconds. You may begin to prepare your response after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep. Example of Task 4. A lecture clip. Listen to part of a lecture in a specific class. Question. Using points and examples from the lecture, describe something specific given by the professor. Preparation time: 20 seconds. Response time: 60 seconds. You may begin to prepare your response after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep.
You will do many practice questions, and during your preparation for T-Day, TOEFL Day, you will notice that some types of question are more common.
Tip for speaking Task 1. Even though some types of questions are more common, do not memorize entire answers to opinion questions. When you give your answer, it's vital that it sounds genuinely your opinion. The examiners are extremely well trained and usually know when candidates are just repeating what they have memorized. You will lose points.
Make sure that you clearly identify the exact question to answer in each task. Focus on that task. Okay, and also play a smart game. Memorize transition phrases that work best for you in each of those tasks and learn a variety. This will also help you give the audience what it wants. The audience will be a human and a standard algorithm. In speaking, always decide what the first words will be and how you will close your responses. So again, this also helps you give the audience what it wants. It all ties in together. This methodology is very simple and the tips work.
Hello again. The YouTube algorithm will offer these free English lessons to more students if you do a little something to help out. Apparently, over half of you forget to like these free videos, probably because you're busy making notes. So pretty please, with sugar on top, hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons. Thank you in advance, and let's help others improve their English skills for free.